Good afternoon. Thank you for that introduction and for inviting the Department of Trade and Industry in your webinar. You may call me Dale. As said in the introduction, in my college years, I have been part of an organization promoting the health, education, and protection of children. This is why I am delighted that we have laws such as the RA 11229 to protect the children. Right now, I am working under the Bureau of Philippine Standards. The role of BPS, it is to ensure the quality and safety of products such as the child restraint system or the child seat or the car seats. So let me share to you what is a child restraint system or CRS or child seat or car seat. So it is a device capable of accommodating a child occupant in a sitting or supine position. So ito po yung nakaupo or nakahiga. It is designed to diminish the risk of injury to the wearer in the event of a collision, pagbanggaan, or of abrupt deceleration of the vehicle. So biglang nag-brake by limiting the mobility of the child's body. So a brief background first. According to Republic Act number 11229 or the Child Safety in Motor Vehicles Act, it is the policy of the state to ensure the safety of children while being transported in any form of motor vehicle. In the Section 6 of the RA, it mandates DTI to use standards set forth, namely the United Nations Regulations 44 and 129. So it states there that manufacturers, importers, distributors, and sellers of CRS are required to secure PS Mark license or ICC certificates prior to marketing, sale, and distribution. Meaning po, lahat po ng locally manufactured or mga na-import na CRS ay dapat ma-certify ni BPS. Then ang BPS po, inadopt po yung UNR as the Philippine National Standard or PNS for the CRS. Then nag-release po kami ng technical regulation under the Department Administrative Order 20-03. So according po sa DAO 20-03, ito po yung scope ng child seats na dapat i-cover natin. So first po yung lateral facing or yung carry cot. Then yung rearward facing, which is nakaharap po sa seat yung bata. Then yung forward facing, in normal position po. Then meron pong combination kanina. Katulad ng pinakita ni attorney, na rearward or forward facing na-adjust po siya. Then may booster cushion or seat. And may other types for similar purposes. Ayan. So ang BPS po, meron pong dalawang product certification schemes. Yung first po ay yung Philippine Standard or PS Safety Mark Licensing Scheme. So it is issued to a manufacturer whose factory's quality management system and product have successfully complied with the requirements of the PNS ISO 9001 and the relevant product standards, respectively. So upon issuance of the PS license, the manufacturer is authorized to affix the PS mark on their product or product package. So familiarize nyo po yung mga sarili nyo dun sa PS mark. Yan po ang makikita nyo. So the PS license is issued to a local or foreign manufacturer upon compliance with the following. So dalawa po ang check namin pag mag-audit kami sa planta. First po is yung factory audit, which is based on quality management systems or PNS ISO 9001-2015. And the second one is the product audit, which is based on the Philippine National Standards. So for this case po, PNS UNR 44 of 2018, PNS UNR 129 of 2018. So ito po performance, yung mga standards po na dapat ma-comply. So para po sa mga mag-a-apply po ng PS, ito po yung online system namin, which is the PCIMS or the Product Certification Information Management System. So kukuha po si manufacturer or si importer po ng form, fill out and we'll have it notarized. Then for the case of foreign manufacturers po, yung importer po yung mag-aasikaso po ng files nila such as the registration form. Then they will submit the accomplished PCIMS account registration form and necessary documents sa amin. Tapos magko-confirm po kami kung meron ng account sila. Afterwards po, mag-a-apply po sila dun sa online system namin, dun sa site namin, which is yung qualityproducts.dti.gov.ph. They will fill out application details and upload the necessary supporting documents. After po nun, they will submit for our evaluation. So evaluation of PS application through the system, kung hindi po nagko-comply, ibabalik po namin yung application dun sa applicant para po ma-correct nila. If magko-comply naman, magsischedule na po ng factory audit, then independent product testing. Afterwards po, may evaluation po ng audit and the test reports. After po nun, kung hindi po magko-comply, meron pong chance si applicant to undertake corrective actions if applicable. Pero pag nag-comply naman po, nung po tayo sa next step, which is yung approval. So it will be recommended for the issuance of the PS license and ma-approve rin po with yung mga statement of account. Afterwards po, diretso na po sa payment of applicable fees. Pwede na pong i-claim yung PS license, certificate, and scope of certification pagkatapos po nun. So ang PS license nga po pala ay plant-specific or address-specific and importer-specific. So may times po na isang foreign manufacturer, meron siyang multiple PS licenses for iba't ibang importers niya. Also, ang PS license po ay valid for 3 years. So meaning po, within those 3 years, pwede po sila mag-manufacture and mag-distribute sa Philippines ng mga CRS nila. Tapos po, a notification will be sent through email for the schedule of the surveillance and recertification audit. Kasi po for those 3 years, every year po magko-conduct year, meron pong recertification audit for the renewal of their license. So yung next product certification scheme naman po namin ay yung Statement of Confirmation or SOC or yung Import Commodity Clearance or ICC for imported child restraint systems. So upon importation po, ang question po muna is the foreign manufacturer PS certified or may license po ba ng PS yung gumagawa sa ibang bansa? If yes po, they will proceed to the SOC application. Yan. So ang steps po, normal po, dapat po meron siyang account dun sa system namin. Mag-login po, if fill out ng application details and mag-upload ng necessary supporting documents. Then sasabit po nila for our evaluation. So upon evaluation po namin, pag hindi po nag-comply, of course, ibabalik po namin sa applicant for their correction. Then after po nun, may payment of applicable fees. Afterwards po, makuha na po nila yung Certificate of Conditional Release nila. Ang Certificate of Conditional Release po, ito po yung ini-issue namin para po ma-release yung shipment from the Bureau of Customs. After po nun, magkakaroon po ng product verification. So ito po yung pupunta sa warehouse, checkin yung mga products. And i-check po namin kung consistent yung actual products with their submitted importation documents. If ever po hindi consistent, yung importer po ay magkakaroon ng show cause order. Pag consistent naman po, they will be issued with a statement of confirmation. Meaning po, pwede na lang i-distribute na yung mga products sa Philippines. Kung hindi naman po PS certified or wala pong PS license yung foreign manufacturer na pagkukunan ng mga importer, ang pagpupuntahan po nila ay yung ICC application. So, of course po, kailangan mag-register si importer sa system namin. Then, mag-login po sila, fill out the application details, upload the necessary supporting documents, then submit the application through PC evaluation. Of course, kung hindi po nga again nag-comply, ibabalik po namin sa kanila for their correction. Kung okay na naman po, they will proceed to the payment of applicable fees. Afterwards po, may issuehan sila ng Certificate of Conditional Release. Tapos magko-conduct po ng product inspection. Tapos if ever po consistent with the importation documents, pag hindi po consistent muna, they will be issued a show cause order. Pero pag consistent naman po, they can proceed with the ICC certificate and the ICC stickers. So ito po yung ICC stickers. So Import Commodity Clearance or ICC sticker. So ICC stickers are issued to importers whose child restraint systems comply with the ICC certification process. Yan. So kung mapansin niyo po, ito po yung sticker na nakadikit sa mga products such as yung CRS and even yung mga other products na dumadaan po sa mandatory certification ng Bureau of Philippine Standards. So meron pong holographic images yan, may serial numbers, and may QR code. Yan. If ever po may questions kayo sa process ng application and other requirements, you may refer to our DAO 20-03. Yan. So as consumers po, ito po yung dapat maging vigilant tayo as we check sa market, pagbibili tayo ng mga CRS and other products nga na covered ng BPS. So the required markings and information shall be as follows. So child restraint systems, dapat po merong manufacturer's name, initials, or trademark. Then meron pong year of production. Meron rin pong instructions for correct installation and use such as appropriate pictograms or symbols, correct webbing, path, and configuration. Tapos meron rin pong country of origin such as made in the Philippines, made in the United States, etc. Tapos meron rin pong dapat serial or batch number for traceability purposes. And of course, yung diniscuss ko po kanina, yung PS license mark or ICC sticker. Sa packaging naman po, make sure po na merong trade name or brand name, meron pong duly registered trademark, and according po sa Consumer Act of the Philippines or RA 7394, meron dapat siyang duly registered business name and address of the manufacturer and importer if imported, or duly registered business name and address of the manufacturer if locally manufactured. Ayan. So with that po, I will remind you na ang DAO po namin ay effective na po since August 8, 2020. Meaning po, lahat po ng locally manufactured or na child restraint systems dapat po dumadaan sa amin. Tapos, according po sa Rule 7 ng Implementing Rules and Regulations ng RA 11229, mahalaga po ang consumer protection. So, if ever po may issues kayo or complaints with regards to these products, you may approach our Consumer Welfare Desk dito po sa DTI or dial 1384, or you may contact us sa platforms po na DTI Consumer Care, sa Facebook, sa Twitter, sa Instagram, sa YouTube, or sa site po namin. And with that po, on behalf of the Bureau of Philippine Standards and DTI, thank you po for inviting us in your webinar regarding child restraint systems.